Welcome to Mishna study, Masachet Maaser Sheni Perek Bet Mishna He. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss a case, a specific case where a person had, let's say, in his hand, Hullin money and Maaser Sheni money. Right? So he had regular mundane money that he was, using for, everyday purposes, and he had Maaser Sheni money. So he had fruits that he redeemed onto these coins, and now these are, kadosh, Maaser Sheni money, and these coins that he was holding, copper coins in his hand, they rolled out of his hand and they just scattered right in front of him on the street. Now he goes to pick these up, and he picks them up one at a time. Which ones are Hullin and which ones are Maaser Sheni? Right? That's going to be the discussion. Right? So you had Hullin coins, Maaser Sheni coins, they got scattered. So when he picks them up one by one, what he picks up, that becomes Maaser Sheni, right? Until he finishes the amount that he had. So if he had let's say he had 100 coins of Maaser Sheni, right? So once he reaches that quota of 100, okay, that's Maaser Sheni, and then everything afterwards becomes, is considered, Hullin. Now, let's say there's, some missing at the end. Let's say he started with, 100 Maaser Sheni coins and, 200 Hullin coins. He picks them up. The first 100 are Maaser Sheni. Then he keeps on going. The rest should be 200 that end up being Hullin. But if there's anything less, let's say he only finds 198 at the end. Okay, so he lost out of those 2 coins. End up being he loses out from his regular mundane Hullin coins. The Balal v'Hafan, let's say he mixed them together, right? Balal, we know the word Balal comes from Kishem Balal Hashem Sefat Kol Haaretz, right? By the whole story of the Migdal Bavel, right? Balal, so he mixed up, right? So let's say he mixed them up together, the Hafan, and now he mixed them up together and gathers them. Okay, then it's the Hashbon. Then it goes according to proportion, right? So let's say in the same case, he had 100 coins of Maaser Sheni, 200 coins of Hullin, right? Now he picks them all up together, and then he looks and he finds out that he's missing 30 coins. So we're going to say, okay, from those 30 coins, 10 missing are Maaser Sheni and 20 missing are Hullin. So it goes according to the Hashbon, according to proportions. That's the rule. When you pick them up one by one, it goes to Maaser Sheni. And when they're mixed together, the Hashbon, it goes according to proportion. And Rambam just adds at the end that there is a condition over here, everything that we speak about, and that is the condition at the end that you need to do is once you pick it up, you need to go ahead and designate in condition and say that what I picked up, the coins that I picked up are going to be mehulal on these other ones, and they'll be swapped out because you don't actually, when you picked up the coins, you don't actually know that they're Maaser Sheni, right? So you're gonna have to say that with these coins that I picked up now are going to be Maaser Sheni coins, and we're going to transfer the kedusha over from what was originally the Maaser Sheni coins to these first ones that I am.